Welcome to Aptitude for Placements, and my name is Ranjit. I have conducted this aptitude training program at various engineering colleges all over India, and every year thousands of students get placed by attending this aptitude training program. Here you will find all the questions that are commonly encountered in most of the aptitude tests. These are the questions that keep on repeating in many of these tests. So just familiarize yourself with all these questions and you will have a clear advantage when you attempt your actual placement test. Let's start. Let us start with the topic data sufficiency. Now this is the format of data sufficiency. I'll just explain the format. Now in questions on data sufficiency, in all the questions there will be one question will be there. Now you have to find the exact and clear-cut answer to this question, and to get that one exact answer you will be given some data, and the data will be given as two statements, that is statement 1 and statement 2. Now you have to find the exact answer to this question, and to get that exact answer, how much data is necessary? That is what you need to find out. So how much data is necessary to get the exact answer to this question? Now I'll tell you the options. Now statement 1 alone is sufficient. You will get the exact answer to this question. Then it is option A. Now statement 2 alone will do. You will get the exact answer to this question. Then it is option B. Now any one statement alone will not do. That is, statement 1 alone is not sufficient. Statement 2 alone is also not sufficient. Both the statements are necessary. Only then will you get the exact answer. Then it is option C. So that is how you mark the options. So we'll take some examples. As I said, the answer to this question has to be very clear-cut and exact. For example, the question is, what is Ram's age? Now this is the question. If you get Ram's age to be either 32 or 33, it will not do. You cannot say maybe Ram is 32, maybe Ram is 33. Such kind of maybes are not allowed. You have to get one exact and clear-cut answer. If you get a clear-cut, yes, Ram is 32, that is okay. 33 is also okay. But you cannot say maybe 32, maybe 33. Such kind of maybes or vagueness is not allowed. So you have to get one exact answer, and to get that one exact answer, how much data is necessary? I'll just take another example. For example, the question is, what is the value of x? If you get x to be plus or minus 1, it will not do. Basically, you are saying maybe x is plus 1, maybe x is minus 1. It is similar to saying maybe Ram is 32, maybe Ram is 33. So x may be plus 1, maybe minus 1, that is not allowed. You have to get one exact answer. So if you get x is equal to plus 1, that is okay. If x is equal to negative 1, that's also okay. But you cannot say maybe plus 1, maybe minus 1. And to get that one exact answer, how much data is necessary? That is what you need to find out. For example, the question is A greater than B? This is a question. Now you cannot say maybe yes, maybe no. You have to get one exact answer. Yes is a valid answer, no is a valid answer. But you cannot say maybe yes, maybe no, or it depends upon some other variable. So you have to get one exact answer, and to get that one clear-cut answer, how much data is necessary? So I'll tell you the complete options once again. Statement 1 alone is sufficient. You will get the exact answer to this question. Then it is option A. Statement 2 alone will do. You will get the exact answer to this question. Then it is option B. Now any one statement alone will not do. Both the statements are necessary. Only then will you get the exact answer. Then it is option C. Option C means both the statements are necessary. Then we have option D. Option D means either of the statements is sufficient. That is, statement 1 alone is sufficient. You will get the exact answer. Statement 2 alone is also sufficient. That is, any of the statements in any order will give you the exact answer. Statement 1 alone will do. Statement 2 alone is also sufficient. That is, either of the statements is sufficient. That is option D. And finally, we have E. E is for insufficient data. That is, even with both the statements, some doubt is there. Even if you use both the statements, some doubt is there, you will not get the exact answer. Then it is insufficient data for E. So let us start with the questions now. For a rectangle, what is its breadth? So we have to get the exact value of the breadth and how much data is necessary to get the exact value of the breadth. The ratio of its length to its breadth is 7:2. So you can take the length to be 7x, then the breadth will be 2x. So they are in the ratio 7:2. Perimeter of the rectangle is 396 meters. So perimeter is 396, that is 2 times L plus B, that is 7x plus 2x. So 396 is the perimeter, that is 2 times L plus B. Now from this equation we can calculate the value of x and we can substitute here and you will get 2x, and 2x is the breadth of the rectangle. So with both the statements you will get the exact value of the breadth of the rectangle. Hence option C is the right answer. Both the statements are necessary. Let us start with the second one. What is the area of a square? The perimeter of the square is 40 centimeters. Now perimeter of a square is 4a, where a is one side of the square and that is equal to 40. So you will get a is equal to 40 by 4, that is equal to 10 centimeter. And the area of the square is a square. So that will be 10 into 10, that is 100. So you can see that first statement alone is sufficient. You will get the exact area of the square to be 100 square centimeters. Now look at the second statement. The length of one side of the square is 10 centimeter. That is a is equal to 10. Then again you will get a square. The area of the square is 10 into 10, 100. So first statement alone will do. Second statement alone also will do. You will get the exact area of the square to be 100 square centimeters. So first statement alone will do. Second statement alone is also sufficient. So either of the statements is sufficient. Hence D is the right answer. Let us start with the third one. If the present age of my father is 39 and my present age is x years, what is x? You have to find out the exact value of x. Present age of my father is 39. So father is 39. Next year my mother will be 4 times as old as I would be. So next year my mother will be m plus 1 and she will be 4 times my age, that is x plus 1. Now second statement says my father is 4 years older than my mother. Father is 39 and he is 4 years older than my mother, which means that m you will get it as 35. So if you substitute m is 35 here, 35 plus 1, 36 is equal to 4 times x plus 1. From this equation, by substituting m is 35 here, you will get the exact value of x, and x is my age. So what is x? You will get the exact value of x, and both the statements are necessary. With both the statements, you will get the exact value of x. Hence, both the statements are necessary. Option C is the right answer. Let me briefly explain how to prepare for your aptitude test. First of all, you need to familiarize yourself with all the questions that have been worked out here. These are the questions that keep on repeating in many of the aptitude tests. After that, you need to attempt practice tests. According to me, you need to attempt at least 10 practice tests before your actual placement test. Here, I will be giving you 10 practice tests, and these practice tests will be ideal for you to improve your test scores. The 10 practice tests are available at a cost of only Rs 200. So all that you need to do is make a payment of Rs 200 either through Google Pay or through Phone Pay or through Paytm, and you will receive the 10 practice tests. The details of the payment comes next.